Hello everyone, welcome back to IIDSG. If you enjoy tech and want to stay updated, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. In this video, we'll talk about what are data structures and algorithms. Have you ever wondered what makes your favorite apps run so smoothly or how websites load so quickly? Behind all of that magic are data structures and algorithms, or DSA for short. In simple terms, data structures and algorithms are the foundation of efficient programming. Data structures allows us to organize and store data effectively, while algorithms are step-by-step procedures that manipulate this data to solve problems. Why DSA is important? Learning DSA is crucial for anyone looking to develop scalable, high-performance applications. DSA helps us build software that runs faster and consumes fewer resources, whether it is a simple mobile app or a massive enterprise system. Let's dive into some essential data structures, starting with arrays. Arrays are like containers that holds data in an ordered sequence. Each element in an array has an index, making it easy to access data by its positions. Linked list. A linked list is a series of nodes connected by pointers. It's a flexible structure, making it easy to add and remove elements. Stacks. Stacks follow the last in first out principle. Imagine stacking books on top of each other. The last book placed is the first one to be removed. Queues. Queues work on the first in first out principle. Think of a line at the grocery store. The first person in the line is the first one served. Trees. Trees are hierarchical structures. In a binary tree, each node has up to 2 children. Binary search trees are special trees that make searching fast. Graphs. Graphs are a collection of nodes connected by edges. They are perfect for representing complex relationships like social networks. Last but not the least, hash tables. Hash tables map keys to values, allowing for fast lookouts. They are like a digital dictionary where you can quickly find a definition by its word. Coming down to the next topic. Now let's explore some popular algorithms that use these data structures to solve real-world problems. Number 1. Sorting algorithms, which includes bubble sort. Bubble sort is simple but not very efficient. It repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent items and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. First, quicksort. Quicksort is much faster. It divides the array into parts based on a pivot and sorts them separately. Second, searching algorithms, linear search. Linear search checks each element one by one until it finds the target. It's simple but can be slow for large lists. Binary search. Binary search is much faster for sorted lists. It divides the list in half repeatedly until it finds the target. Third, dynamic programming. Dynamic programming solves complex problems by breaking them into smaller sub-problems and storing their results. It's especially useful for optimization problems. Last point is graph. This includes graph depth first search. DFS explores a graph by going as deep as possible down, one path before backtracking. Breadth first search. BFS explores all neighbors of a node before moving into the next level. It's useful for finding the shortest path. Now we will discuss about analyzing algorithm efficiency. Big O notation. Big O notation measures an algorithm's performance based on input size. Common notation includes ON for linear time and O log n for logarithmic time. Now, what are the practical tips for mastering DSA? Learning DSA takes practice. Start with understanding the basics and then move to the coding challenges. Platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank and CodeSignal are great for this. Real-world applications of DSA. You will find DSA at work in all sorts of applications, from recommendation products in an online store to route planning for delivering trucks. Data structure and algorithms are the heart of computer science. By learning and practicing DSA, you are equipping yourself with tools to build efficient, scalable software. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Share your favorite algorithm in the comments and let us know what you like to see more. Thank you.